We are going to observe the tracks of alpha particles in a diffusion cloud chamber. This is a diffusion cloud chamber. Put some dry ice in its lower part. Cover the dry ice with a foam pad and screw the base lid back on. Use a dropper to add some methylated spirit to the felt ring in the upper part of the chamber. Replace the plastic lid. Illuminate the chamber with a lamp. Insert a weak radium source into the chamber and observe from above the tracks produced. Now, rotate the source so that it is behind the tin foil inside the chamber. Is there any change in the tracks produced?